Good morning everyone, I'm Peter Santoliano. Welcome you in Alliance in Motion Global Company. So we're just in Ortigas area. So I invite you new distributor here in the Philippines and other country. Welcome. And we are a home business and also online. And you can contact me. http://www.petersonipexsponsoring.com. My cell phone number 0919-433-2225. So thank you. And the entry or the fast start is only 1,980, and also the high end is 7,980. So we have also tangible products and international distribution of products worldwide. So the good thing is our company is no quota, infinite income. Also our product is 24/7. This is a good one because we have many ingredients here, and this is the most potent new product here in the Philippines. So thank you very much, and God bless, and welcome to AIM Global. Thank you.